You sit down, stare at a mountain of notes, and realize you've been working for hours without retaining any of the material. It is exhausting when the time you put in fails to translate into better marks. We are going to build a high-focus study system together, starting right now. Once this video ends, you will step directly into your first productive work block. Gather these 3 prerequisites: a specific piece of study material, a digital timer, and a completely clear desk space. Establishing a physical workspace removes the friction of getting started. It turns a daunting task into a simple, executable sequence. Open the clock app on your device and set a countdown for exactly 25 minutes. Do not start the timer yet. This constraint respects your biology. The human brain cannot maintain peak concentration for continuous hours without the quality of work degrading. This graph compares 2 approaches. The declining line represents a marathon study session, where focus slowly collapses. The high peaks show the 25-minute model, where frequent resets keep concentration high. These 5-minute recovery zones are mandatory. For this to work, you must leave your desk and give your brain a true mental rest, rather than checking notifications. To protect these high-focus peaks, you must hide your phone or activate a strict Do Not Disturb mode. Confirm that your device is out of sight and your timer is primed. Using the 25-minute block makes studying a calculated, efficient routine, rather than a test of endurance. Most students wait until they feel motivated before they begin a session. Motivation is a volatile metric. If your progress depends on your mood, your consistency will suffer. Instead, use the force start. Commit to exactly 5 minutes of physical action, regardless of your energy level. This diagram shows the actual mechanics of focus. Physical action triggers a focused state, which then generates the motivation to continue. The first 5 minutes contain the highest mental resistance. Once you begin the task, that friction flattens out and your mind adjusts to the work. Pick up your pen or open your document now. Get your hands ready to begin. Successful students prioritize discipline over mood. They sit down and start because they understand the action-motivation loop. Reversing this loop gives you a reliable method to manage procrastination and take control of your daily output. The final component of the system happens after you stop studying, the sleep boundary. The all-nighter trap creates a false sense of productivity. Staying awake to work often results in lower quality output that takes longer to complete. This graphic compares neural activity. A rested brain encodes new information and maintains recall. Exhaustion slows learning speed and makes it harder to remember concepts. Calculate 8 hours back from your wake-up time and set a hard bedtime alarm immediately. Sacrificing sleep destroys the retention of the time you have already spent working. The system is ready. The timer is set, your materials are open, and your sleep boundary is established. Focus is a muscle. If you are used to constant distraction, these first few days will feel uncomfortable. As you push through that initial friction, your brain adapts. Over time, deep focus becomes a natural part of your routine. Press start on your 25-minute timer now. Closing this video and starting the countdown is the first step toward building a more effective academic routine.